Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different, something cool in react.js. Yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, we are going to learn something cool, something awesome, something dynamic in react.js. And guys, today in this video, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art Pixabay image gallery using react.js and Pixabay image gallery API as well. Yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, we are going to learn something cool, something awesome, something dynamic in react.js. And guys, today in this video, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic, cool and state-of-the-art Pixabay image gallery using react.js and Pixabay image gallery API as well with me, Prabhat Pandit. So guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the features, all the functionalities of the example to you so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn and today what we are going to create in this video, in this session with me, Prabhat Pandit. So let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely react.js and API as well. So guys, here we can see the heading also, Pixabay image gallery in React plus API. Yes guys, you read that right. Today here in this video, in this session, we are also going to learn that how to fetch the API data in our React app, in our React application, and how to show them on the browser to our user. And using the React plus Pixabay image gallery API, we are going to create this cool, awesome and dynamic Pixabay image gallery in React plus API with me, Prabhat Pandit. And guys, let me tell you one very important things. Guys, this video is very suitable. This video is very beneficial for React beginners. Yes guys, you heard that right. Guys, if you are learning react.js in 2025 and if you are new to react.js in 2025, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch this video because from this video, from this session, guys, we are going to learn a lot of things, a lot of new stuff, a lot of new things in react.js to become cool, dynamic and awesome react.js developer in coming future. So guys, I promise you, I guarantee you, I give you my word also that from this video, from this session, you are going to learn a lot of new things, a lot of new stuff, from user state variable to user state hooks to use effect hook. And we are going to learn also how to fetch the API in our React app, in our React application. And we are also going to learn how to use the state variable to manage the state across our React application, across our React app in this video, in this session. So guys, this video is definitely for you if you are learning react.js in 2025 and if you are new to react.js developer. Guys, it's Prabhat Pandit guarantee, it's my guarantee, it's my promise to you guys that you are guys not going to regret later after watching this video, after watching this session, because you are going to learn a lot of things, a lot of new stuff in react.js. And later on guys, you will definitely thank me for creating such an awesome video in react.js. And now guys, let's get started and let me just explain you all the features, all the functionalities of this demo as well. Okay, so guys, below we can see here one search input field. Okay, so guys, this is the search input field, and on the right hand side we can see here one search button as well called search now. Okay, so guys, in order to search any kind of images from this image gallery, we have to enter here the search term, and then we have to click this button search now to search the images from our this Pixabay image gallery. Okay guys, this is very dynamic, this is very cool, this is very vast Pixabay image gallery I have created using React plus API as well. Okay, and guys, below we can see here few categories as well. Okay, so guys, these are known as the categories. Okay, nature, people, technology, animals, food, computer, AI, programming, coding, home, rose, lions, fish, political, shark, and potato. Guys, these are known as the category, and guys, these are just a few categories. Okay guys, these are just a few categories. Guys, our Pixabay image gallery is not limited, is not restricted to these categories only. Guys, our Pixabay image gallery is very vast, very dynamic. We can search guys anything. Anything means anything. Okay, any kind of image, if it is available we can see the image, if it is not available we can't see anything. Okay, so guys, this is the image card. Okay guys, this is the image card, and I have just shown here 12 image card. Guys, you are free to show the number of image card, okay, according to your need, according to your requirements. But for the demo, for the session, I have just shown here 12 images card only. Okay, and guys, on each and every images card, guys, on each and every images card I have just shown here images, the tags, the number of likes, the number of views, and this is the user profile link button, and this is the button to download the image as well. Yes guys, we can download the crystal clear image from our Pixabay image gallery as well. Okay, so guys, in order to download this image we have to click this button download to download this image. Okay, so guys, I am going to download this image, so let me just click this button download to download the image. So click it now. See, boom guys, this is bigger, larger, and crystal clear picture. We can just download it, we can just save it on our system, on our device as well. So just right click, click on this save image as, and just save anywhere you want to save on your system, on your device. So click save. So see, image is now saved. Just close this. Okay, I want to save this image, so click the button download now in order to save this image. So it's here. See, it's bigger, clear and larger picture. We can save it. Okay, so just hit save. It's now saved. Close this. Okay, so guys, these are the image card. Okay guys, these are the images card. Okay, I have just shown here the images, tags, number of likes also, number of views also, and guys, this is the photographer user profile. Okay guys, this is the photographer user profile link. We can see the bio of the photographer by clicking this button as well. So let me just click this button now. So here is the user profile, and this is the photographer of this particular image. Okay, and here is the bio. We can download the images also from here. So this is the Pixabay. Okay, I'll give you the link in the description. You can just come here and you can just create your own API key, and you are free to use this Pixabay API key to create awesome, cool, dynamic, and state-of-the-art Pixabay image gallery in React on your own using the Pixabay image gallery API as well. Okay, so guys, here we can see here this is the 12 image card, and I have shown here images, tags, number of likes, number of views, user profile link button, and the download button to download the image. Okay, we just have to click the button download and we can download the image. Okay, so let me just show you all the categories first. So click on people category. So loading images, I have shown here the loading text also. I have shown here the loading spinner as well. We will show the loading spinner while we are fetching the data from the third-party API. Okay, so click on technology. Here is the technology, all the images from technology category. Click on animals. Here is the animals. We can just download the images also. I showed you. Click on the button images, I mean download. So here we can see here this is the bigger, larger, and crystal clear picture. So click save as. Okay, hit save. Okay, so it's downloaded now. Close this. So click on the food category. Okay, so here is the food category, all the images from the food search term category, okay, or the food search term or the search category. Okay, we can say anything. Click on computer. So here is the all the images from computer. I have shown you the images, tags, number of likes, number of views, pixels. I'm in the I'm in the photographer image or the photographer bio URL. We can say we can say anything. Okay, click on AI. Here is the AI images. Okay, all the images we can just download it also. So download, click on the button download. We can just save this also. So just hit save. This is the bigger, larger and crystal clear picture. So just close this. Click on programming. Here is the all the images from programming. Click on coding. Here is the coding, all the images we can download it. I showed you also. Click on home. Here is the home, all the images home. Okay, we can just download. Click on the button download to download this image. So we can just save this. Hit save. Close this. I showed you. Click on the rows, and you can see here this rows okay category is now active. You can see this rows category is now active. Green, yellow, pink, blue, all kind of roses as now roses are now here. This is the picture card, and I have shown you the picture, tags, okay, likes, number of likes, number of views, photographer bio link also I have shown here. Okay, and I have shown you the button to download also. So download this image. So here we can save the images, but I don't want to save this. Okay, it is going to consume my resources in the background. Okay, so here is the all the picture from this rows search term rows. Okay, so click on lions. Here is the lions, all the images from lions. I have shown you the picture, tags, likes, views, user profile. Okay, I mean the user profile link also, and the download button also to download the images. Okay, click on fish. Here is the fish. Click on political. Here is the political. Click on shark. Loading images loaded. Okay, so click on potato. So just save these images. So download this image now. Okay, and just to save it. So we can save it. I showed you many times also. So it's saved now. Close this. Here is the photographer link also I showed you. So close this. We can just download it also. So go to the fish. So let me just download this pic now. So download now. Okay, so hit save. Close this. Okay, and guys, not only this, we can guys search any kind of pic. Okay guys, our Pixabay image gallery is very vast, very dynamic. Okay, we can search anything. Let me just search here water. Hit enter. Loading images. Here is the water. Okay, I have just shown here 12 images. You are free to show the number of images as per your need, as per your requirements. Okay, so let me just search here anything. I'll just search here girls. Okay, I'll just say here girls having phone. Okay, phone in hand. Hit enter. So you can see here all these, okay, like hand having the phones. Okay, having the phone. Okay, so we can search guys anything. Okay, anything means anything. Let me just search here milk. Hit enter. So here is the all the picture, all the images from the search term milk. Okay, so this is the cool and dynamic and okay eye pleasing image card as well. You can see here this image card looks okay cool, dynamic and eye pleasing as well. I have shown here the images, the tags, number of likes, number of views, user profile, bio link as well as the download button also to download this image. Let's just download this image now. So click the button download. It's here. Just to save image as. Hit save. It's saved now. Okay, so close this. So okay, I'm very sorry, and let me just search here. Okay, so guys, we can guys literally search anything. Our image gallery is very vast, very dynamic. I showed you all the feature, all the functionalities. And guys, now let me just show you the one of the most important feature of this Pixabay image gallery. Okay guys, we can apply here the light mode and dark mode as well. Yes guys, you heard that right. We can apply here the light mode and the dark mode as well on our Pixabay image gallery app. Okay, so just through this button guys, we can apply the light mode and the dark mode as well. So just click this button to apply the dark mode now. As of now, light mode is applied. You can see here light mode apply. So click the button to apply the dark mode. So click it now. Boom guys, now the dark mode is applied. guys, you can see now the dark mode is applied, guys, and you can see this looks cool, this looks dashing, this looks okay, awesome as well. Okay, so guys, now just refresh the page also. See, boom, guys, our dark mode is persistent. Our dark mode is going to remain here even if you will refresh the page, even if you will reload the page as well. See, our dark mode is persistent. Our dark mode is not going to remove, not going to vanish. Okay, even if we will refresh the page, even if we will reload the page as well. Okay, and everything is doing great, everything is doing fine, and this image card looks also cool, looks also eye pleasing as well. Click on animals, click on food, click on computer, click on AI, click on programming. See, everything is doing great. And just remove the dark mode now. Dark mode is now removed. Refresh the page. See, once it is removed, it is removed. Refresh the page. See, it's not going to come back. Again, apply the dark mode. See, dark mode is applied. Boom, guys, you can see this looks cool, guys. Okay, so our Pixabay image gallery app is very dynamic, very fast. We can apply the dark mode as well as the light mode also, and light mode and dark mode is going to remain here. It is persistent, it is not going to vanish. Okay, even if you will reload the page, even if you will refresh the page also, because I have saved each and everything inside the local storage, so that's why it is going to persist even if we will refresh the page, even if we will reload the page as well. Okay, so guys, this is the feature, this is the functionalities. I've explained you all the things in depth, in details also. And guys, I hope you find this Pixabay image gallery app very interesting and very dynamic also. And I hope you are thrilled, you are excited to learn to create this Pixabay image gallery on your own after watching this video, after watching this session. Okay, so guys, just sit back, be calm, be relaxed, and watch the entire video very carefully and very patiently as well. Guys, don't try to skip the video, don't try to fast forward the video. Otherwise, if you will miss anything from this video, from this session, you're going to miss each and everything. Okay, and at the end, you're going to scratch your head and you will say to yourself that I didn't get anything from this video, from this session, and I just wasted my entire time. Okay, so don't do that. Just watch the entire video very carefully. Guys, I promise you, I guarantee you, I give you my word also, that you are going to learn a lot of things, a lot of new things, a lot of new stuff from this video, from this session. And guys, now let's just get started and let's just create this Pixabay image gallery using React plus API with me, Prabhat Pandit. But guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all, guys, please subscribe now my this channel Code with Please please press the bell icon also, so that you will be notified whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also. And definitely, guys, definitely you are going to grow also in your professional IT career after watching my video, after watching my session. Okay, so please, guys, don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your group as well. Okay, and please like this video also, and please subscribe now my this channel Code with Guys, consider me as your friend, consider me as your brother. I need your help, I need your support, and the only way you can help me and the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my this channel Code with So guys, you must do 4 things here. Just subscribe the channel Code with press the bell icon now, like this video also, and please don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your group also. So I hope you will do that now, and I'm going to hope you will subscribe now my the channel Code with So guys, now please subscribe now. Okay, I hope you will do now. I'm going to trust you, I believe you that you will subscribe now my the channel Code with Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn this Pixabay image gallery in react.js plus API with me, Prabhat Pandit, and let's just create it while we are going to learn also. Okay, so guys, we all know we learn a lot of things by doing it, by doing the practical, by coding it, and by learning on our own. Okay, so guys, I hope you will subscribe now my the channel Code with So guys, let's get started and let's learn. And please, you can just subscribe now. Okay, I hope you will subscribe now. So let me just create here new file first. I'm going to create here new file. So guys, I'm going to use here the VS Code editor to write the code. Okay guys, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences. Okay, I'm going to use here the VS Code editor to write my code. I'll just say here uh, Pixabay image gallery.jsx, save the file inside the components folder, hit save. So let me just import your react first. So import your react. Okay, I'm going to import here the few hooks also. So use state is the first hook, and we all know what is the use of this use state hook, and use effect is the second hook. Okay, and we all know what is the feature, what is the functionalities of this use effect hook also. To perform the side effect, to fetch the data, to update the DOM also, to create the state variable, to manage the state through our React app. Okay, this is it. So let me just import here the Axios also. I'm going to use here the Axios. I am not going to use here the JavaScript fetch method to fetch the data, to fetch the API, but rather I'm going to use here the Axios, and I have already installed in my project. Okay, so Axios, okay, like this. So let me just import here the I'll just use here this CSS. This is just a simple and plain CSS. Okay, this is guys just simple and plain CSS, not a rocket science at all. So I'll just use this pre-written CSS only. So let me just import it also. So Pixabay .css. So this is the CSS file, Pixabay .css. Okay, so just to close this, and now let me just import here the clip loader also, to show the loading spinner while we are fetching the data. Okay, so from clip loader, and just remove this open and closing curly braces. So I have to be in little hurry. So guys, just be relaxed, be calm, and be patient, and be focused as well. Okay, because this video is very dynamic, very cool, very awesome in terms of learning material. Okay, so I just import here the icons also from the from the React icon also, React icon library as well, we can say. So far sun, to apply the dark mode or light mode. Okay, far moon as well, far moon, and I'll just import here the far. Okay, far search icon also. Okay, far search icon from React icon only. This is it. So let me just create here one const first. I'm going to create here const first. I'll just say here API. Okay, API key, and guys, this is my API key, please don't use it. So let me just copy this API key from the example only. So this is the API key, please guys. Okay, don't use my API key. I'll give you the link in the description. You can just come here to the Pixabay image gallery API. You can just create it on your own API, and you can just use this API okay, in your project. Okay, but don't use my API key. Okay, this is it. Let me just create here one const as well, and let me just say here Pixabay image gallery. I'll just say here 2. Okay, and I'll just use the anonymous filter function, and we all know we have to return each and everything from every single component in React. Okay, so here also I am going to do that. So let me just create here one div now. Let me just close this div, and let me just give it the class name as well. Okay, I'll just say here container is the class name. Okay, so let's just open this. Okay, let me just create here h2 element first. Okay, h2 element first. I'll just give you the class name as well, but before that I'll just import it also. So export default Pixabay image gallery 2. This is it. So I'll just give you the classes also, or the text also. Let me just come here, and let me just copy this string from here, and just paste it here, and this way we can save a little bit of time also. I'll just say here font bit bold. I can just give here text center, and I can give here the display also 2. This is it. Save the file. Okay, so guys, as of now, just save the file and come to the app.jsx file. This is the main component, so we have to import it also in our app.jsx file also. So I'm going to do that now. So let me just see here one thing. So Pixabay image gallery 2. Okay, so import Pixabay image gallery 2. Okay, so guys, let me just copy this and just now come down and paste it here. Close this, save the file, have a look in the browser first. So here is the text, the string Pixabay image gallery in React plus API. So let me guys, I'm going to hide this old app now. Guys, I'm going to hide this old app now. So just hide it here from, and hide this as well. So now just save the file, have a look in the browser first. So here is the text, Pixabay image gallery in React plus API. So let's just bring this string in a single line. So instead of say here display 3, save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the text in a single line. So I'll just say here text warning. I'll give here text warning. So as of now, just refresh the page, hard refresh. So it's gone now. Everything is now gone. So we're going to create here each and everything from scratch. So guys, let me guys, very quickly I'm going to create here few state variable. Guys, very quickly I'm going to create here few state variable. So we all know how to do that now. So images is the state variable, and set images is the state updater function. We all know what is the state variable and what is the state updater function. I am not going to explain you each and everything. I'll give you the default value as a empty string and const. I'm going to create a couple of state variables. I'll just create here the query state variable to search query, which user will search from the search input field. So set query is the state updater function, and use state. And as of now, just give you the default value as a nature. Default value as a nature. This is it. Let's just create here another state variable, and just to give here the search input, and set search input is the set search input is the state updater function, and use state. And as of now, just to give here the blank or the empty string. This is known as the blank or the empty string. So let me just create here another state variable, and I'll just create here the loading state variable to show the loading spinner while we are fetching the data from the server, from the external API. I hope you are getting me what I'm doing here. So set loading is the state updater function, use state. And let me guys give here the default value as a false. The default value will be false. Let me just create here another state variable. I'll just say here current index to apply the current index to the clicked category. To clicked category, we will apply here the current index, which will be active or it will be reactive. Based on the on which user has clicked. So use a state, and as of now, just give here the default value as a 0. So now just create here the last state variable to apply the dark mode and light mode. So set dark mode is the state updater function, and as of now, just to give here the use state. So, and as of now, just give here the default value as a false. So default value will be false. Because by default there will be only light mode, and we have to apply the dark mode, then we have to click the button. So I'm going to create here the button first, but before creating the button, I'm going to create here a couple of state variable, or the couple of normal variable. I'm going to create here a couple of normal variable first, before creating the button. So let's just create here const. Const, I'll just say here mode class. And using this dark mode state variable. Using this dark mode state variable, we are going to do that now. So if dark mode, give here question mark, because this is the ternary operator. Otherwise we will create this. So let's just create here const. Say here mode. It's mode text. Using the only dark mode state variable only, we will create a dynamic text to apply it. So let me just what I will do here, I'll just create here the bg dark, and I'll just say here text white. If background is dark, so text will be white. It's obvious, it's understood. So bg light, and the text will be dark. Text will be dark. And now this mode text, we will create here the text. So if dark mode is true, we will see here dark mode. Dark mode applied. Okay, we will dark mode say applied. Okay, if we will if dark mode is false, we will say here light mode, light mode. Okay, applied. Okay, this is it. So guys, now I'm going to create here the button to apply the dark mode and light mode. Okay, so button, very quickly I'll create here the button, guys. Okay, so button. Okay, so uh, copy this, okay, dark mode from here, and if it is true, we will, or instead of this, okay, we can say here, um, or we can say here, so if dark mode is true, so okay, if dark mode is true, so copy this fast sun. Okay, this is the component or the icon, just paste it here. Copy this far moon and just paste it here. So this is it. Let me just give you the class name also. So I'll give you the class name. Okay, I'll give you the class name. Okay, dynamic class. Okay, I can give here anything. So just now say here btn. Okay, warning and warning. Let me just give you the backtick. So remove this and remove this extra from here. Copy this, come here and come here, copy this dark mode class from here and just paste it here. Okay, and on click of this button, on click of this button, we are going to toggle the things. Okay, so I'll use here the anonymous filter function and copy this. Okay, set dark mode state updater function to update this dark mode state variable. We all know. Okay, I'm not going to explain you everything again and again. So copy this, okay, in exclamation mark and just paste it here. So in this way we can negate the things, okay, in React, okay, to toggle the things. Okay, so as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So here is the button, but we can't see the text because we have not used this, okay, mode text. So just now and now paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the light mode applied, click the button. You can see here dark mode applied, click the button, light mode applied, click the button, dark mode applied. So in this way we can toggle the things and we can toggle the theme as well. Okay, so this button is doing great. So I'm going to create here the first, okay, input field and the button first. I'm going to create here the input field and the button first. So I'll create here the div first. I'll give here the class name as a input group as well. Input group. Okay, input group, and let me just create here the input. I'll give you the type of search. I'll give you the placeholder as well. Search images. Here give 3 dots and I'll give you the class name as well. Placeholder is already given. So form control. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the search input field. Okay, so let me just give here margin top, okay, 5. Give here margin bottom also 4 and let's just make it 4 also. So here is the now let me just create here the button also below this input field only. So button, and let me just give you the text. I'll just say here search now, and let me just use here the component, the icon from the React component icon. Copy this fast search from here, paste it here. Now we can see here the button search now. Let me just apply the classes also. So class name I'll give here btn. I'll give you a warning. Okay, warning. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So what is the issue here? Class name btn. Okay, so it's btn. Okay, so button warning is here along with the icons also, along with the text. Okay, so this is the input search field. Okay, so let me just now I'll just say here value attribute also I'll give here. The value attribute I'll give here this, okay, variable search input state variable. So copy it from here and just paste it here. And now I'll just say here on change attribute also, so that user can type inside the input field. Otherwise the user will be not able to type the inside the input field. Okay, so copy this set search input field and just paste it here. So we will just say here event dot target, which means the input field. or we will grab the value as well. So like this, save the file, have a look in the browser first. So now we can type the things also inside it. Okay, so here is the things. Now this is doing great. So just click this to remove the text from here. Okay, so guys, now let me just click here the category first. Okay guys, I'm going to create here the category first. Let me just show you how we can create the category. Let me just give you the demo first. I'll just say here category. Okay, categories, and this is the array, and this is the array. So I'll just say here nature, and let's just say here nature. I can say here the or I can say here lion. I can say here the fish. I can say here shark. I can say here the ice cream. Okay, close this as of now. Just this is it. Okay, for this is I have just shown here for the your understanding. Okay, for your understanding. So let me just create here the first the category. So I'm going to create here the category below this input field only, so let's just create here one div now, and just to close this div, let me just give it the class name as well to this div as well. So this div flex. Okay, div flex. Okay, justify content center, justify content center, and I'll give here the text center as well. I'll give you margin top 3, margin bottom also I'll give you 3. Okay, so now open and closing curly braces. So now copy this categories variable name from here, and this is the array. We can obviously apply here the map method. So just now map. Okay, so map. Okay, so now I'll give here the cat, and I'll pass here the index as well. Okay, so now create here button. We can create span, div, anything. It's only up to us. So button, let me just give you the first important prop, which is the key prop. So I'll give you the pass as an index only, as a key. Okay, prop value, and I'll give you the class name as well on this button also. So just a class name, I can give you the dynamic classes. Okay, so use your backtick, open and closing curly braces. So I'll just say here category btn, and just a dollar sign, open and closing curly braces. And now just to copy this current index state variable from here. Okay, and just to paste it here. Check with this index. Okay, check with this index. Okay, check with this index. If it is true, we will apply here the active class. Okay, we will apply here the active class. If it is false, we will apply here the none or empty class. So here is the active class defined. Okay, here is the active class defined. Here is the active class defined on this category button. Okay, on this category button. Okay, here is the active class defined. Okay, as of now, just now I'll show you the cat. Okay, and I'll just trim the white spaces as well. Okay, so guys, as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. Okay, so here is the category lion, nature, lion, fish, shark, and ice cream. We can add anything if we want. Okay, so I'll just say here mobile. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the mobile. Okay, so here is the mobile. So guys, let me just copy this category. Okay, let me just copy this category from the example. Okay, I'm not going to write each and everything. Okay, it will take a lot of time also, but it is already written, and I have explained you all the things as well. You can't say anything to me because not you have not explained me. I didn't get this. That's why I have explained you each and everything. So here is the category: nature, people, technology, animals, food, computer, AI, programming, coding, home, rose, lions, fish, political, shark, and potato. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the nature, people, technology, animals, food, computer, AI, programming, coding, home, rose, lions, fish, political, shark, and potato. Okay, this is it. This is the category, and click anywhere. Okay, but it is not going to active now, so we have to do one thing here on this category, on this button also. So I'll just say here on click. Okay, on click, we have to define here one method as well. Okay, we have to define here one method as well. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, I'll just say here handle. Okay, click, handle click category, and we have to pass here this cat. Okay, and I'll pass here the index as well. This is it. So copy this. We have to define this method now. We have to define this method now. So copy it from here, and above this return statement I'm going to define it now. So create a const, paste it here, and as of now just give here equal to, I'll use here the anonymous fat array function. Okay, and guys, as of now let it be. Okay, as of now guys, let it be. But just to come here, copy this. Okay, set current state variable, set current index state variable, and just to paste it here, and now just pass here the index. Okay, just pass here this index. As of now, just save the file, have a look in the browser. Now click on the category. So it's now people is active, technology is active, animals is active, food is now active, computer is active, AI is active. Okay, coding is active, people is active, fish is active, potato is active, programming is active. So this is doing great. Okay, so guys, now first of all I'm going to create here one function. Okay, one main function to fetch the API data. Okay, I'm going to do that now guys. I'm going to do that now. Okay, I'm going to create here one method now. Okay, I'm going to create here one method now, fetch. Okay, fetch images, and I'll just use here the async method. Okay, I'll just give equal to, and I'm going to use here the guys async method. Okay, so we must have to use here guys await keyword as well, to wait for the response, to wait for the promise. So here we have used the here the async keyword. So guys, we must okay, we must use here the await keyword as well. Okay, inside this function fetch image, fetch images function, we must use have to, okay, we must have to use here the await keyword as well, because we have used here the async method. Okay, so this is the async function. So I'll just create here another const. Okay, I'll just create here another const, but before creating the const, let me just set okay a few things. Okay, to default value. So let's just copy this. Okay, set, or let's just copy this. Okay, set loading state updater function to update the loading state variable. Okay, so make it again. Now we will just make it true to show the loading while we are fetching the data. Okay, show loading while fetching the data. Okay, I hope I'm clear. And now I'll just say here set, okay, set images state updater function to update this image state variable. And as of now, let's just remove everything. So I'm going to remove the previous. Okay, so say here remove. Okay, remove previous result or data. Okay, this is it. Okay, okay, I hope I'm done clear. Okay, I hope guys I'm done clear. Let me just create here another const. I'll just say here encoded. Okay, encoded. Let me just create here encoded query. Okay, I'll just use here encoded URI component to handle the white spaces, to handle the special character from our search string, from our search category as well. Okay, so guys, this okay encode URI component is going to handle the white spaces, is going to handle the special character in our search string, in our search query, in our URL as well. Okay, so that's the reason we use here encode URI to handle the white spaces, to handle the special characters from our search string, from our search query, from our URL string as well. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now let me just copy this. Okay, query state variable, and let me just pass it here. This is it. I'm going to create here another const. Okay, I'll just say here URL is the variable name. Okay, let me just say here open and closing backtick, just close this. Let me just copy this URL. So copy this URL. Okay, this is the URL we have to hit. Okay, this is the URL we have to hit here. So just paste it here inside this. This is my API key. So here is my API key. Okay, and here is the encoded query. So this is the encoded query, and I explained you why I have created this, to handle the white spaces, to handle the special character from the search string, from search query. Okay, this is it. So guys, now I'm going to use here try, catch, and finally block to handle the issues, to handle the error. Okay, and catch. So catch to catch the issue, to catch the error, and finally block to set everything to the initial state. So now we will just make this loading again false. So we are getting the data now, so we must have to hide the loading spinner as well. So come to the inside this try block. Inside this try block, we are going to create here another const with the name response, and we must have to use here await keyword to wait for the promise, to wait for the response, because we have used here the async keyword. So we must have to use here await keyword to wait for the promise, to wait for the responses. Okay, I hope I am clear. So I'll just say here I'm going to use here the Axios. Okay, what is this? Axios, and I'll use here the get method. Okay, so inside the get method we have to provide this URL as a parameter to this get. Okay, and now let me just say here console dot log, and we will just say here response dot data dot hits. Okay, response dot data dot hits, and now we will just set this images as well. This images is state variable also, so copy this set images as state updater function to update this images. So now just paste it here, and now we will just say here response dot data dot hits. Okay, this is it. I'll show you each and everything. So I'll just say here we will catch here the error also. So we will just say here console dot log. Okay, so just say here I'll show here the issue inside the catch block now. Okay, inside the catch block I'll just show here the issue. So I'll just say here error fetching the data, put comma, show this error message now, entire error message. So this is it, and we will just set this because we don't get any data from the external API, because this is the issue. So we will again set it to blank or the empty array. What is the issue? Okay, what is the issue, guys? There is no issue at all. Okay, so now guys, okay, so now this is it. We've defined here the main method, so we have to guys call it also. So I'm going to create here the fetch like I'm going to use here the this use effect hook now to load the component, to fetch the data while our component is going to be mounted for the first time. So we have to use here this use effect like this, and I'll use the anonymous filter function like this, and just give you the dependency array also. And now just to copy this fetch image function name from here, and we will just call it here. So calling the function when component mounts for the first time. This is it. Okay, and we have to guys now we have to provide here this this query state variable, as a dependency array value. Okay, as a dependency array value we will provide this query state variable as a dependency array value. So guys, this is going to keep an eye. Okay guys, this use effect is going to keep an eye on this query state variable. As soon as this query state variable will change, this use effect will execute. Okay, as soon as this query state variable will change, this use effect will run. Again it will change, again this use effect will run. Okay, again this query state variable will change, again it will run, again this query state variable will change, again this will run, and we will fetch the data. Okay, every time this query state variable will change, this use effect will execute, this use effect will run. Okay, I hope I'm clear. I hope I'm done clear. Okay, so guys, now let me just on this button we have to where is the button, guys? Here is the button. So on this button we have to create here one method as well. Okay, so I'm going to create here one method on this button, on click of this button as well. So on click we will just say here handle search. Okay, handle search is the method name. So we are going to define it now, handle search method name from here. So copy it from here, and now const, and just to paste it here. So anonymous filter function, and now we will just define it now. So I'll just create here first const to trim the white spaces from the string. Okay, so I'll just say here trimmed equal to, I'll just say here this set search input field from here. So just to paste it here, and we will just remove the white spaces also from this search string. So this in this way we have removed here the white spaces from the string from left and right. So now we will check here if this trimmed is there. If this trim is there, nothing is there. So now we will just say here copy this set query state variable from state operator function from here, and just paste it here. And now we will just say here copy this trim. So copy this trim variable name from here and just paste it here. And now we will just say here set current, not set current index. We will just say here set search input to remove the string, search string from the search input field, from the search input field. So this is, in this way we will remove the, so let's just say here clear the input field. This is optional, this is optional. You can have it, you can just remove this also. And now we will just say here this sets this sets the query state variable value every time, every time. And I have explained you the moment this will change, this use effect will run. And so you can see here I have written in the comment also, this sets the query state variable value every time. So every time this this button will be clicked, so minimize this. So every time this button will be clicked, we are going to fetch the new data, this is it. I hope I'm damn clear. So let's just remove the white spaces. I hope I'm damn clear. I hope I'm damn clear, guys. So now on this input field also, I'll just say here on key down also, I'll just create here one method also. On key down also, I'll just create here one method also. I'll just say here handle, handle enter, handle enter. So let's just copy this and we have to define it now. So below here, create here const and just paste it here, and like this. So we have to give here equal to every time. So we have to be very mindful while we are coding. So guys, pressing any key on the keyboard is an event. So guys, pressing any key on the keyboard is an event. Guys, always remember pressing any key on the keyboard is an event. So guys, always remember pressing any key on the keyboard is the event. So we have to pass here the event object as well. So now I'll just say here if if event dot key equal to enter key, which means the user has pressed the enter key. So if this is the case, we will just say here copy this handle search, and we will again call this function. So just paste it here. So close this. This is it. It is going to trigger the same search. So trigger the same search as handle search. This handle search. This handle search, guys. This is it. So as of now, guys, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. Let me just refresh the page one more time and go to the developer tools and go to the console. And as of now, here is the default value, default array. So let me just search here the water. Hit enter. Here is the data, guys. Let me just search here the ice cream. Now click the button, search now. See, here is the data. So everything is doing great, everything is doing fine. So we just have to show the data, but before showing the data, I'm going to show the loading spinner as well. I'm going to show here the loading spinner as well. Below this a category, I'm going to create here another div to show the loading spinner. So I hope you know what I'm doing here, and I'm obvious and I'm crystal clear as well. I'm going to show here the loading spinner as well. So I'm going to show you the loading spinner as well. So let me just say here margin top, I'll give you a 3. This is it. So now I will just create here open and closing curly braces, loading state variable. Okay, I'll use here the react, okay, conditional rendering. So just create here one div now. So close this div very quickly, and I'll give here the class name as well. I'll just give you the class name. Okay, so I'll just say here text center, and I'll just say here margin top I'll give here 4. I can give here the margin bottom also I'll give here 4. So open this div now. Inside this div I'm going to create here h2 element. So h2 element I'll just give you the class name text center. Okay, font weight I'll give you bold. I'll just say here display I'll give you 2 3 whatever it is. I'll just say here loading images. Okay, loading images, please wait. Okay, please wait, and I'll just show here the loading spinner as well. So this is the component, so copy this, okay, clip loader component from here to show the loading spinner while we are fetching the data. I hope I'm crystal clear. Okay, I'll give you the color prop as well. So color I'll give you red. I'll give you the size prop as well, 140px. Okay, let it be. So as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So just refresh the page and click anywhere on this category. So hit here water. Okay, so we will see it, don't worry, we will see it. Okay, if we can't see it, let's just try to remove this. Okay, anyways, we don't have any issues, we don't have any error. Okay, so now click. Okay, so we will see it, guys. Okay, don't worry, we will see it. Okay, so loading, let me just check the state variable name. So loading is here. Okay, so set loading is true. Okay, set loading is finally false. Okay, no issue at all, no issue at all. Okay, we will see it, don't worry. Okay, we will see it. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create here the I'm going to create here the div now. First I'll just create here the div to show the all the data, all the the API data we have fetched. So let me just create here the div first. Just to close this div, I'll give here the classes also, margin top 4 margin. Okay, margin bottom also I'll give you a 4, and just now open this div. I'll give you the class style, inline style as well to this div as well. Double open and closing curly braces. I'll just say here display, I'll give you grid. Okay, display grid, I'll give you the gap also of I can give you the 15px. I'll just use the grid. Okay, grid template, grid template columns. Okay, grid template columns I'll use here. So let's just say here repeat, and I'll just say here auto fill give comma. I'll say here min max, and I'll just say here 250px. I'll say here one fraction. Okay, one fraction. Okay, as of now, just save the file, have a look in the browser. So now we don't have any issue. Okay, so now inside this div now we will just use open and closing curly braces and copy this. Okay, images state variable, which is the array, and now everything contains inside this images. Everything is now inside this images state variable. Okay, here we can see here I have just set here set images, and now we have updated this images state variable. Okay, so everything is inside this images now state variable. So we can obviously apply here the map method. So I'll just say here map, and I'll just say here img. I'll pass here the index as well. Okay, so open and closing curly braces like this, and now we will just create here one div as well. So div class name, just close this div first. So we have to give here the special prop as well, very important. This is, I'll give here the only img dot id. Okay, dot id, this is it. So this is very important. We have to give here when we are working with the loops or the array of object in React, in Vue, in Angular. Okay, anything like that. Okay, I can say here, let me just give you the dynamic classes using the backtick. I'll just say here cards, and say here open and closing curly braces, and dollar sign. Now we will just copy this. Okay, this variable name. this variable name mode class to apply the dark mode and dark mode light mode dynamically based on the dark mode state variable. I hope you are getting me what I'm doing here. So just to paste it here. Okay, so now inside this div, just to open this div. Okay, inside this div I'm going to create here the img element first. So img and say here src. I'll use here the dynamic src. Okay, I'll use here the dynamic src. So I'll just say here img dot okay web okay web format url. Okay, web format url. I'll just give you the alt attribute as well. Alt dynamically also img. I'll just say here tags. Okay, and now I'll give the classes also class name. I'll just say here img. So everything is defined here already inside the Pixabay css. Okay, you can just pause the video and you can just go through this. This is very simple, this is very straightforward, this is pretty simple css. Okay, pretty simple css. Okay, so come to the code now. So now as of now guys, just save the file and have a look in the browser. So here is the image. Okay, here is the image guys. So let me just check what is the issue with this grid template. So it's a repeat autofill min max. So display is the grid. Okay, grid template columns. So grid template columns repeat. So autofill. Okay, min max. It's a spelling mistake here. It's a min. Save the file, have a look in the browser now. So here is the guys images guys. Boom guys, here is the images. Okay, here is the images guys with the water. Let me just search here ice cream, hit enter, loading images. You can see we don't have anything. So food, AI programming. So okay, so come to this. Okay, where is the handle click category is here. So handle click category is here. So we have to find it here somewhere. Okay, it is here. So cut it from here and just bring it here. Okay, in this way we can see it. Okay, what we are doing here. So now this is it. Okay, so now this is it, and now we have to copy this. So now we will just copy this. Okay, set query and copy this and just paste it here, and we will just say here cat. Okay, cat dot okay to lower to lowercase, and just close this, save the file, have a look in the browser. So now computer is here, so it's doing great now, and we can see the loading speed now as well. Okay, so click on fish, click on political, so you can see it's doing great. Okay, so okay, but our net is very fast, so we can't see here loading spinner, but don't worry. I'll just like so handle click category is this. So now we will just say here set query is this, and now we will just say here set okay search input to remove the each and everything from the input field. Just pass this. Okay, like this is it. Okay, so let me just define here the comment also. So update the here it is going to update the query state variable. Okay, variable, and this will again and again we will just execute this use effect. Okay, so just save the file, have a look in the browser. So just say here coding. So here is the coding. Say here AI. So here is the AI computer. Okay, so okay guys, you can see here loading speed is here, but our net is very fast. Okay, our net is very fast, so we can't see here for longer time. Okay, so we can't see here okay for longer time, but it is doing great. Okay, I hope it is visible to you, but don't worry, no issue at all. Okay, no issue at all. Okay, it is doing great. Okay, so let me guys create here one custom component also to show the tag. Okay guys, I'm going to create here one custom component to show the tags as well. So I'll just say here const tags. Okay, like this. I'll pass here few props as well. So tags is the first prop, and if it is blank or empty, we will show nothing. I'll just say here level as well. So level, this is it, level, and I'll just give you the class name as well, I mean the default class name, badge, and I'll just say here bg info. Okay, bg info. So this is the state the custom component, and here is the prop is the tags, level is the level is the prop, okay, class name is the prop, and default value is badge, bg info, and default value is a blank or empty string. So first of all we will check it. So if negation of this tags, okay, negation of this tags, okay, if it is blank or empty, we will just return here nothing. Okay, we will just do here nothing. Okay, return nothing. Okay, return null. So guys, okay, if this tags is blank or empty, we will return nothing, we will just do here nothing. Okay, if this tags is not blank, is not empty, is not null, then we will show other things also. So we will just say here return, and just close this, and now we will just create here one div. Okay, so create a div and close this div now, and we will just give it the class name as well. So I will give you the class name mb2, mb2, and I'll just say here empty 3. Open this div now, and now inside this div I'm going to say here I'm going to create here the strong element. So strong, and I'll just show here the level. So just to show you the level prop, so copy this level prop from here and just paste it here, and I'll give you the spaces also. So inside the react we can give the spaces like this. Okay, so now just open and closing curly braces. So this tags is the we are going to make this tags as an array. Okay, we are going to make this tags as an array. So copy this and just say here dot split. Okay, dot split to all the things. So comma, let me just show what I'm doing here. Let me just show you what I'm doing here. Go to the console and open this array, go to the any element. So guys, this is the array of object, this is the array of object, and every element itself is an object. Okay, every element itself an object. Okay, so guys, this is the tags. Okay, this is the tags I'm talking about. I'm going to make this tags as an array. Guys, I'm going to make this tags as an array using the split method, and now we will just apply here the map method now. So okay, so now we will just, first of all I'm going to slice it. I'll just show here only 0 to 7 tags only, and now we will apply here the map method. Okay, like this, and I'll just say here tag, I'll just say here tags, and just give here index also like this, and open and closing curly braces. I'll just create here the I can just create here the span element also. So I can just create here the span element. Okay, so just create here span, close this span now, and just give you the key prop as well, index. Okay, index, this is it. I'll give you the class name as well. So class name I'll give here dynamic class name I'll give here. So I will just use here $sign, and I'll just use this class name. Okay, default class name is here. Okay, default class name is here, and let me just apply here the text dark as well, text dark classes also by default. Okay, by default I'll apply text dark, and I'll just say here mb also 2 and me1. Okay, this is it. So open this span now, and now we will just say here this tag. So and let's just make it tag. Okay, let's just make it tag. Okay, not as, let's just remove the as. Okay, and just remove the white spaces also using the trim method. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, in this way, just to copy this tags component from here, and now below this div now. Okay, so below this img. So just now below this img I'm going to use this tag now. Okay, I'm going to use this tag now. So first of all, let me just create here one div now. So create a div and close this div very quickly, give the classes. We can give classes also. Say here, mm, say here guys, okay, p2, okay, means padding 2. Open this, or let's just give here like this, okay, in inline style I'll give here, say here padding I'll give here, the say here 10 px, okay, this is it. So now I'm going to create here another div inside this div now. So just to give the class name as well, so close this div now, open this div, and just to say here is the class name. What is the class name? I'll just say here uh, say here tag, okay, this class guys, okay, this class, okay. So here is the class, okay, tag level wrapper, tag label wrapper and now we will just use this custom component here, so like this. Okay, so just now we can see here this tags is the custom component, and we have defined here also tags level. So we will give here tags level, and the class name is default, so we have to define here this tags and this level, okay. And if this tags is blank or empty or none, we will show here nothing. If it is not blank or not null, not empty, we will show what it is all about, all the tags, okay. I hope I'm clear, I'm good enough to explaining the things, okay. If this tags is empty or blank or null, okay, we will show nothing. If it is not blank, not null, not empty, we will show the things, okay. So copy this tags from here, and we have to give the value now. So this is, I'll just say here img, okay, this guys, this img, okay, this img dot, we will say here tags, and now say here level, I'll give you the level as well. So I'll say here level as a I'll just say here level as a tags, okay, tags. Save the file, have a look in the browser first. So boom guys, here is the all the tags guys, here is the all the tags, okay, here is the all the tags, okay. So see AI, but I don't want here any border radius classes, so I don't want any border radius classes. I'll just say here rounded, say here 0. So see border removed now. So here is the tag, okay. So here is the tag AI, okay. So see here AI drawing, AI art, okay, AI robot, artificial intelligence, computer science, digital future, computer, okay. So as of now I've just shown here the 7 slides, okay. Just we can show here 2 tags as well. See here only 2 tags is shown. If we want, we can show the entire tags as well, okay. If we want, we can show the entire tags, but this will look ugly, this will look odd. If you want, you can do this, okay, but I'll just show here only 7 tags, okay. We will use this slice, okay. If you want, you can remove it, but I will show here only 7 tags. So save the file, have a look in the browser, only 7 tags. This looks cool now, okay. So guys, now click on technology, see people rose, let me just search here potato. So let me just search here the water, hit enter. Let me just search here book, okay. So I'll just say here Harry, I'll say here Harry Potter, hit enter. You can see here Harry Potter, and I have we can see here the loading spinner as well. So guys, we can see here loading spinner as well, okay. So let me just search here images, hit enter, loading spinner, images loaded. You can see here this looks cool and this looks dynamic also. And as you can see here, our Pixabay image gallery is very dynamic, very vast, very cool also, and very very fantastic as well, okay. Let me just search here the microphone, okay, microphone, hit enter. So see here is the microphone, okay. So guys, see guys how cool and how dynamic our Pixabay image gallery app is, okay. So we have to just show here guys each and everything also, the likes and okay views count also, user like, okay, photographer user profile link also, and a button to download also any image. So we will just do that now. So I'm going to do that now. So we'll just, okay, come down. So below this div I'm going to do that now to show the likes and views count, okay. So just to close this div now. So I'll just give you the class name as well. I'll just give you the class name. So say here class name, I'll give here the I'll just give you the dynamic classes. Okay, just to give, okay, let it be only div flex. I can just give you justify content between justify content between, open this div now, and I'll just create a couple of span element, I'll create here. So span, so just copy this and paste it one more time to show the views and likes count. I'll give you the class name as a big only. So let me just now just say here img dot, okay, let me just show you the likes and views count in the console. So go to the developer tool, go to the console, open any element, open any object, first object. So here is the guys, okay, here is the number of views count. Okay, number of views count is here, and here is the likes count. Okay, so copy this property likes from here and just paste it here. Okay, so I'll just say here text also likes. Okay, likes. So let me just copy the icons from the example only. Let me just copy the icons. So this is the heart icon, red, okay, heart icon, copied from here and just paste it here. This is it. Give a little bit spaces also, and to give here the class name to show the likes count also, I mean the views count, I'm gonna show here now. So I'll just say here image img dot copy this views count from here. So views property from here and just paste it here, and I'll just say here views. Okay, let me just copy the icon from here, the eye icon. Okay, let me just guys, okay, let me just use here the, okay, as of now we can see here is the likes count and here is the views count. Okay, so guys, let me just use here the icon from the react only. So I'll just say here far, okay, I, okay, far I, and I'll just say here, okay, far heart. Okay, so let's just see how this looks. Okay, let's just see guys how this looks. Okay, this icon, okay, although I've shown here this, okay, red heart icon as well. So just now set the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the eye icon. Okay, so this looks cool also. Okay, this looks cool guys. Okay, this looks cool, but this is the eye. So copy it from here and just replace with this icon. So we have to be very mindful. Okay, so this looks cool, this eye looks cool. So copy this heart icon or the component. So far heart, copy it from here and just guys replace with this eye. Save the file, have a look at the browser. So here is the heart icon. Okay, okay, so this looks cool also, and as of now our dark mode is also being applied to this card only. Okay, so let me just what about this tag? Okay, so come to the custom component. Okay, tags. Okay, custom component tags. So just now I'll give you the class name as well. So dynamic classes $, and let's just copy this. Okay, copy this from here and just paste it here. Set the, what is the issue guys here inside the back tick? Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the tag is now white. Okay, so now I'll remove the dark mode. So dark mode is removed. This is doing great. Okay, apply the dark mode. Okay, dark mode is now applied. This looks cool guys. You can see here our image card. Okay, looks so cool, so dynamic, so vast. Okay, so eye pleasing guys. Okay, you can see here our image card looks so cool, so eye pleasing. Okay, remove the dark mode. Okay, so we have to show now guys the photographer profile link button, and to download the image we have to show the download button as well. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so come to the code now, come down. So in below this div we are going to do that now. Okay, we are going to do that now. So I'm going to create here one div also. So close this div now. So let me just give you the class name as well, div flex, and I'll just say here justify content, I'll give here center, I'll give here empty 3. Open this div now, and I'll just see here open and closing curly braces. Okay, so guys, let me just have some water, and let me just take some breathe, for only few seconds. Okay, so guys, now just guys, in the meantime, subscribe now my the channel Code with ER. Please press the bell icon also, and do like this video as well. And please guys, don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your colleague, with your group as well. Okay, please guys, do that now. And I hope you have already subscribed, and if you haven't, please subscribe now, and please press the bell icon also. Please like this video also, and please don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your group as well. Okay, I hope you will do now. Okay, so let's just get back to the coding session. So I'll just say here img is img. Okay, this img. Okay, this img. Okay, this img. Remove the index, guys, we don't need any index. Remove the index. Okay, this is it. So I'll just say here img dot. Okay, so use, let's just go to the developer tool only, copy it from there only. Otherwise if we will have any issue, it will have a lot of issues. And let me just copy this. Yeah, this user image URL. Okay, where is the user image URL, guys? Yeah, this user image URL to show the photographer profile button link. Okay, so that user can click it, and he or she can go to the user profile. Okay, so I'll just use here the react conditional rendering. So let me just create here the anchor tag. So a, just close this a, and just open this. Okay, and now let me just go to the example to copy the URL. Okay, so let me just copy this URL, guys. Okay, otherwise we will have a lot of issues if we will have any minor issues. Okay, although this is the simple URL, Pixabay URL only, user.img.user, this img. Okay, this img. Okay, dot user, and this img.user.id to go to the respective photographer profile. Okay, this is it. Very simple, guys. Okay, very simple. I'll just say here rel also. I'll say here rel also, no opener, and I'll just say here the no referer. Okay, so okay, so let's just give you the target also. I want to open this. Okay, user profile link, or the photographer profile link in a separate tab. So I'll just say here target blank. Okay, we have to say here target blank. Okay, like this. Okay, this is it. I'll just say here class name also. I'll give here. I'll just say here text decoration none, and I can give here btn. I can give here info as well, and btn I'll give you sm. Okay, btn I'll give you sm, and inside this anchor tag only I'll show the user profile image. Okay, so img, and now we will just say here src. Okay, so dynamic src. Just say here img dot, I'll just say here this user image URL. Okay, so to show the user pic, a small user pic, and I'll just give here the alt as well. So I can give here the image img dot say here user. Okay, so here is the user also. Here is the user. This is the user. Okay, this property user. Okay, so just now say here I can give you the style as well to make it look rounded and really small. I'll give you the width of give here 30 px. It is up to us. You can decrease it, you can increase it also. So height I'll give here also 30 px, and just say here border radius also of say here 50%. Okay, as of now, just save the file and have a look at the browser first. So here is the user pic. Okay, let me just click this. Let me just click this. So see, it is going to take you to the user profile. Okay, I mean the photographer profile. Okay, so let's just click this. This. So it's here. So it's doing great. So now let me just show you the tag as well. So I'll just create here the span element. So span and close this span element, and I'll just say here img dot, I'll just say here user to show the photographer name, to show the photographer like name. Okay, so you can just give you the class name as well. We can give you the mx. I can give you to save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the name, I mean the image and the name of the photographer. Here is the image and the name of the photographer, image, name of the photographer, image and name of the photographer. Okay, so just create here the download button now. I'm going to create here the download button now. So to download the images, I have explained you all the things previously as well, while I was explaining you the things. Okay, so let's just create here another anchor element, another anchor tag I will create here. So I'll just open this. First of all, let me just give you the attribute download. Okay, attribute, I'll give you the download. Okay, so this is the must attribute. We have to provide this attribute download, okay, in order to make the button downloadable. Okay, so that we can download the things. Okay, I can give you the target as well, blank, and now I will give you the class name as well. So btn, I'll give here the warning, and btn I'll give you sm. Save the file, have a look at the browser. So here is the button, second button, but we have to show the text also. So open this. Okay, a, and I'll just say here let me just say here down. Okay, load, save the file, have a look in the browser first. So here is the text download. Okay, so here is the text download. So let me just so deflex justify content. I'll just say here justify content between. Okay, between. So now this looks cool. Okay, this looks cool. So let me just create here the download icon first. Let me just create here the download icon. So I'll just say here far download. Okay, far download. So copy this. Okay, and just now come down, and this is the component. So just to paste it here and give a space, save the file, have a look in the browser. So here is the download icon, here is the download icon, here is the download icon, here is the download icon. This looks cool now. So let me just create here the URL first. So I'll just create here the href, I mean the URL, we can say only the URL. I'll just say here img, this img guys. Okay, I showed you many times. Okay, I'm talking about this img. Okay, property. Okay, this is the object. It is going to look through all the images. Okay, array of object. Okay, this is it. So I'll just say here img dot I can say here copy this. Okay, copy this user image URL from here, or we can say here the large image URL. Okay, just to show here the large image. Okay, because user is going to download the images. So I'll show here the user yeah, this large image URL. Okay, this large image URL, copy this from here and just paste it here. Okay, so guys, in this way we have just created the download link now. So guys, now just save the file, or we can give you the rel attribute as well. So this is in not this is very important. We can give you the rel. So I'll just say here no opener. Okay, let's say here no opener. Okay, no opener, and I can say here no. Oh, why not guys, copy it from here. Okay, why wasting time writing on this? Okay, so it is already there. We just have to copy it and just paste it here. Save the file, have a look in the browser now. So guys, now just close this developer tools, and now I'm going to download this image, or this very first image. So click the button download to download the image. See, boom guys, it's working fine. We can save the image, save image as, hit the button save. See, it's saved now. Close this. Okay, so let me just download this image. So click the button download. See, it's boom, save the file or the images, hit save. Okay, so let me just close this, and now I want to see the, so just click the button to go to the photographer profile link. So click the button. See, it's here guys. Okay, it's dynamic, it's cool. Okay, so I hope guys, okay, we have guys a few things left. So we have to apply here the dark mode. As of now we can see here we are only applying the dark mode to this, okay, card only. Okay, but it is not persistent. Refresh the page, it is not persistent. Okay, it is not persistent. So now guys, we are going to create the dark mode and light mode theme now. So I'm going to do that now guys. Okay, I'm going to do that now. So come to the code now. Okay, I was forgetting this. I'm very sorry, but this is a very important feature, and this is the very important things also of this session. I want to explain you each and everything. So guys, I'll just create here use effect. Okay, use effect, and now I'll just use here the anonymous file function like this, and just now close this, and now open this, and now we will just first, okay, first we will remove the classes. Okay, first we will remove the classes from the and document object or the body. Okay, document dot body and dot, I'll just say here class list. Class list, first I'm going to remove. Okay, first I'm going to remove, okay, all the classes. I'm going to remove all the classes. Okay, bg dark classes, I'll remove it, and I'll just remove the text text white classes also. I'll remove here. I'll remove here the bg light classes also. I'll remove the text dark classes as well. So first of all guys, we are going to remove everything. So let me just write here the comment, okay, for you. Okay, so remove everything first. Okay, this is it. I hope I hope I'm quite clear, and I'm quite okay, good enough to explain you the things. Okay, now guys, I'm going to apply the things. Okay, I'll just say here document dot body, document dot body dot class list dot add. Okay, dot add, based on the certain, okay, condition, we will apply the classes. Okay, we will apply the classes. So now, okay, so if dark mode, if dark mode is true, okay, if dark mode is true, we will apply here the bg dark. Okay, if dark mode is true, we will apply here the bg dark. Otherwise we will apply here the bg light. Okay, if it is false, we will apply here the bg light. Okay, so put comma, again we will check here with the dark mode state variable. Okay, if it is true, we will apply here the text white. Otherwise we will apply here the text dark. Okay, otherwise we will apply here the text dark. Okay, so now this is it, and we have to provide here the dark mode state variable as a dependency array value. Okay, as a dependency array value, we will provide here the dark mode state variable. Okay, so this use effect will execute every time this dark mode state variable value will change from false to true, from true to false. This use effect hook is going to execute every time. Okay, this dark mode state variable value will change. Okay, this is it. I'll just again use here use effect again to check with the to check the local storage. Okay, to check the local storage. So give here like this, and just now, okay, I'll just create here another const here. I'll just say here saved. Okay, save mode, and I'll just say here local storage dot get item. Okay, local storage dot get item. What to get guys? Of course get here the dark mode. Okay, the dark mode. Okay guys, if this is going to check the local storage. Okay, if dark mode value is saved. Okay, if this dark mode value is saved inside our local storage, we will get here true. Otherwise we will get here false. Okay, if it is true or false, based on that we will check here with this string true. So in this way, what we are doing here, we are doing here we are checking here. Okay, true. Okay, true equal to true. Okay, true equal to true, which means this will we will get here true, we will get here true. Okay, so we will get here true, and we will store this true value, boolean value inside our this saved mode variable. Okay, inside our saved mode variable. So guys, this is going to check the local storage. Okay, and if this dark mode value is saved there in the local storage, we will get here true or false. Okay, so we will check here if true equal to true, we will get here true. If it is not there, we will get here false. So false equal to true, again false, so we will get here false, and in this way we will save here true false based on the value inside the local storage. Okay, inside the local storage, so we will get here true or false inside this save mode variable. And now we will just copy this. Okay, set dark mode state updater function to update this dark mode state variable. So copy this from here and just paste it here. So now we will just say here saved mode. Okay, this is it. Let me just create here another state user state hook. So let me just remove this everything, remove from here, everything remove from here, and we don't need this as well. Okay, remove this also. So now we will just check here. Okay, so we will just say here instead of get item, we will say here set item. Okay, and what to set, guys? Of course, this dark mode equal to this dark mode state variable. Copy this from here and just paste it here. So now just save the file, and we will just check with this. Okay, we will just every time we will run this use effect, this dark mode state variable. Okay, this dark mode state variable will change. Okay, this dark mode state variable will change. Okay, so as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So see, boom, guys, dark mode is now applied. Refresh the page one more time. See, boom, guys, it's persistent. Guys, it is persistent. Okay, it is not going to removed, it is not going to vanished. Even if you will refresh the page, even if you will reload the page also, this dark mode is going to persist here. Okay, refresh the page. See, it's going to remove, it's going to remain here even if we will refresh the page, even if we will reload the page also. Okay, so see how this looks cool, this looks dynamic also, and this looks okay, mind-blowing also. Okay, so let me just remove the dark mode now. So click the button to remove the dark mode. It's now removed. You can see light mode applied. Refresh the page. So see, once it is removed, it is removed. Okay, once it is applied, it is applied. Okay, so guys, this is persistent because we are saving here each and everything in the local storage, and I have explained you everything also. So this is in this way we can apply the dark mode and light mode very easily, very efficiently in our any React app, in our any React application. Okay, so apply the dark mode now. So see, it's boom, guys, it's so, guys, smooth, it's so animating. Okay, you can see it's so smooth, so animating, guys. Okay, so smooth and so animating. Okay, okay, so I hope, guys, I have explained you everything, like everything's also from this session, from this tutorial. Okay, let me just search here something. I'll just say here love, hit enter. You can see like our React. Okay, Pixabay image gallery is very dynamic, is very cool, is very vast. We can search anything, we can just download the images as well. Okay, by clicking the button download, just click the button download. See, its images here, save image as, hit save. It's now saved. Close this. Okay, we can see the photographer biography also. So this is the photographer biography. Okay, so close this. And guys, like I told you, our Pixabay image gallery is very dynamic, very vast. You can search, guys, anything, any kind of pick, any kind of images from our this Pixabay image gallery in React using the API and using the Pixabay image gallery API. Okay, so along with the dark mode and light mode feature as well. And you can see the UI looks so pleasing, so cool, and so mind-blowing as well. Okay, so guys, I hope, guys, I've explained you each and everything from this video, from this session. Guys, still you have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then please, guys, okay, do ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to read it, I'll try to address it, and guys, I'll definitely try to give you the best possible solution, best possible answer as well to your query. Okay, just comment the queries in the comment box below, right below this video. Okay, so I hope you are getting me, and you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and you will press the bell icon also. You will share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. Okay, so you can see this looks okay, so dynamic, okay, so cool and so eye pleasing. Okay, so see, okay, so this is the category, and this is the also this categories is also clickable, and I've showed you each and everything. Okay, let me just search here the lady finger, lady finger, hit enter. See, here is the lady finger. Okay guys, we can search guys anything. Okay, we can search anything. Okay, anything means anything. We can download the image as well. So download the image by clicking the button download. Save the image now, hit save. It's saved. Close this, and we can view the photographer profile also. Okay, so this is the photographer profile. Close this. Okay, so guys, see guys how cool and how dynamic and how okay mind-blowing our Pixabay image gallery app is. Okay, so let me just search here the like tab, hit enter. See, here is the tab. Okay, let me just search here the iPhone, hit enter. Here is the iPhone. Okay, here is the iPhone. Okay, so I hope guys we have come to the end of this video, end of this session, and I hope guys you have learned something cool, something awesome, something dynamic, something okay extraordinary from this video, from this session. And I hope guys I kept my promise also, and you are now excited, you are now thrilled to create this okay Pixabay image gallery on your own after watching this video, after watching this tutorial. Okay, so I hope you will create now this okay Pixabay image gallery on your own. Okay, so I hope guys we have come to the end of this video, end of this session, and thank you guys for watching my content, for watching my tutorial. Okay, thank you guys, thank you, thanks a lot, from bottom of my heart, from core of my heart. Okay, and thank you guys also guys, thank you guys, thanks a lot, all the guys who has already subscribed to my channel Code with ER, and thank you to also those guys who has not yet subscribed to my channel Code with ER. Please guys, subscribe now my the channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, and please like this video also, and please okay subscribe guys, subscribe. Okay, subscribe now please. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my content, for watching my session, and for watching my tutorial as well. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.